So you have a GoPro Hero 8 and you want to know how to format the SD card. Very, very simple. So first thing you want to do is turn on the GoPro. Once you have it on, what you want to do is you want to slide from the top to the bottom. And now what you want to do is tap on Preferences right here. Now what you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down to the very, very bottom where it says Reset. Tap on Reset. And the first one up here, it says Format SD card right there. So go ahead and tap on that and then Format. Don't forget, this will delete and reformat your SD card. So everything you have on there right now is going to be long gone. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on Format here. This SD card is full for me and I already transferred everything onto my computer, so everything is already saved. I just need to clear up this SD card so I can start filming again. So give us a second. There we go. My SD card is now formatted and I'm ready to rock and roll again. And let me just see if there's any footage saved on here just in case. So if you scroll from the bottom up, usually it shows you all the videos and photos that you have saved, but it says no media, so I know that this SD card is formatted and ready to go. Good luck.